Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Windows 11 update if Windows is downloading an update that you don't want right now. So let's get started. So firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. Tap to open Settings. Now go to Windows Update. Here you will see if the update is downloading. Here you will see the update is available. If the update is downloading, you will see its progress on the screen. You just click on get the latest update as soon they are available and turn it off. It will now new update not will be download soon. Also you can pause the update. Click on this and pause for 2 weeks. It will extend for 2 weeks. You will see your device won't be up to date until update resume. You can, if you want to update resume, you can just resume from it. If the update is still downloading, press Windows plus R, then type service.msc and press enter. Services.msc services.msc. Scroll down and find Windows Update. In Windows section, here you will see Windows Update. Double click it. Here you will see service status running. You can just click on stop to stop the update. It will stopped. This immediately stop the window update service. Restart your PC to make sure the update process has been stopped. That's it. You have successfully cancelled or paused Windows 11 update. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell for more Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching.